So as anyone can see, my LA 130 is not doing that great. It's been a great mower. I mean, it's over 15 years old, but a new one is $3,000 now. So what happened was the transaxle, transmission, whatever you want to call it, stopped working. I have no idea how to repair it, but I was able to get a brand new one for $700. And I figured, what the hell, I might as well put a brand new one under it. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I'm about to unbox the brand new one. Now the dilemma that I'm in is that the wheels on the old one are rusted on. I've been trying to get them off using, blaster silicone lubricant, using all kinds of things I can. I haven't heated them yet. That'll be a last step, I guess. But the whole reason for getting them off is to get those bushings that are around the wheel. Maybe I don't need them. Maybe the new one has the bushings with it. I don't know. So anyway, this is what I'm up to. So out of the box, this is what it looks like. Packaged very well. I mean, it's in foam. There's no way it could get damaged. Trouble is, the foam, when they spray it in there, when they package it around it, it gets into all the crevices, comes off very hard. I think I'll have to just cut it away. Well, so far so good. I think that's got it. I just got to pick it off there. It's full of oil, so I'm going to be careful. I don't want to lose the oil. There's the unit. Alrighty. Well, let's hope it's the same. I'll get back to you in a little bit. I got to start stripping parts off the old one to make sure they go on this one. Once I have the assembly back in the tractor, the keyways in, the tractor's on, that will complete the assembly. I'm not going to show how to do all this because there's several videos online that already show that. So maybe this won't be too long a video. I couldn't get the wheels off the other one. I tried like the dickens to get the wheels off, but they're just so rusted in there, not happening. So knowing that the transaxle is no good, I took the rear cover off it. Is 2 keepers on each side, and what I did was I slid the axle out. And that was because there were bushings on the inside. I probably could have got these at John Deere for who knows how much. Probably could have got them for who knows how much, but you can see it's a washer, 2 washers, a bushing and a washer. Same thing on both sides. Sorry for the shakiness here. So anyway, yeah, I'll work at getting it back on, and probably when I get to the point of putting the tires on, I'll come back. And there we are. Took me about 2 hours to get it all back together. But the brand new one's in there. Belt's all hooked up. Everything's done except putting tires on. Like I said, I had to put a new belt on the motor. Boy, that was quite a job. You got to take everything apart underneath there, all the way up to the steering wheel and the automatic clutch. What a pain that was. Anyway, it's over now. Be trying her out here shortly. Back again. Now we're outside, and that's the only snow we have left, folks, down here in Litchfield. So I've got the tires on, got the little trailer behind it. She goes pretty good, although the transmission drive belt, there's a couple of pulleys underneath, and one is making a noise, so I got to order a couple pulleys. Other than that, it went together pretty good, and it started right up. First time this winter that I've started it, or this spring I should say. Hasn't been run since I parked it here last fall. That methanol, is it methanol free gas? Not methanol. I think she run pretty damn good. Now to focus on some more important things. Oh boy, 70 degrees today. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll be back with more videos. I'm going to try to be a little more consistent. Thanks for sticking with me. Love you all. Bye bye.